Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to my assignment. Today I would like to present my work in course Digital Literacy for Language Teachers. And now I would like to present my findings in digital tools for listening learning, for improving listening learning. It is Edpuzzles. So I'm from second group from class 3C. I'm a third semester English education student, and let me introduce myself. My name is Dzulkifli, and let's get started to our presentation today. So, it is start with introduction about the listening itself. Yeah. The importance of listening in English learning. We knew that listening is one of the most essential skills in English language learning. It allows learners to understand pronunciation, stress, and intonation, which are key parts of real communication. Through listening, students are exposed to authentic language use and a wide range of accents and vocabulary. Developing good listening skills help learners build stronger comprehension, better speaking ability, and greater confidence in everyday English communication. Therefore, teachers need to integrate digital tools that can support students in improving their listening proficiency effectively. Yeah, in the simple way, listening is one of the most important skill that learners need to develop, and also being able to understand, because listening is one of the way that learners can understand how our naturally English sounds like when we speak with native speakers. Also, we need to really use our skill in listening. So it is important to have several alternatives or a good way to develop listening learning. So this also I have overview of listening skill in English learning. So in listening, there are three parts or three kind of listening. Number one is intensive listening, and the second one is extensive listening, and also we have critical listening. Intensive listening is focused on specific linguistic features such as pronunciation, vocabulary, or grammar through short target audio segments. According to a study, intensive listening is a target method that helps learners concentrate on specific linguistic features in audio materials such as sounds, vocabulary, and also grammar. It is like the first step of listening learning. It is using through short target audio segment. Meanwhile, the second one, we have extensive listening. It is emphasizes exposure to large amounts of authentic input selected by the learner for general understanding and fluency. For example, one review states extensive listening often involves the use of authentic audio materials rather than scripted or simplified content. And the last one, the third one, we have critical listening. Critical listening is more complex. It involves analyzing, evaluating, and forming judgments about what is heard, for instance, recognizing bias, speaker's purpose, or argument structure. And also, a systemic review notes that critical listening includes evaluating the speaker's argument, identifying bias, and analyzing the intention behind the message. Yeah, the three parts or three kind of listening learning is really important, and it's really need to put each of part of each of kind of listening. Yeah, and also we move to digital tools for listening learning. So I found several tools like BBC Learning English, Elo, ListenWise, and maybe Spotify and any other. It really can use for improving listening learning. Like BBC Learning English provides authentic audio and video lessons designed to improve learners' listening comprehension. Each episode includes transcripts, vocabulary explanation, and quizzes. It helps students get used to real-life English pronunciation and also intonation. Meanwhile, ELO, English Listening Lesson Library Online, it is also offer thousands of listening clips with different accents from around the world. It promotes extensive listening through real conversation and global context. And the other one we have ListenWise. ListenWise turns podcasts and current news stories into interactive listening activities. Teachers can assign topics that connect language learning with real world issues. But one of the digital tools that I've choose in this presentation that I already searched is the one and only introducing Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is one of the, I think, most complete in digital tools for listening. So I choose Edpuzzle. Yeah. Introducing Edpuzzle. This is Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is an interactive video-based learning platform that allows teachers to insert questions, notes, or audio comments into any video, turning passive watching into active listening practice. According to Agilistiani and Prayuana 2021, Edpuzzle engaged students in listening activities by combining video content with interactive comprehension tasks, which help maintain their focus and motivation. The platform also enables teachers to crop videos, create quizzes, and track learners' progress in real time. As Zahara and Yuliati said, 2025, Edpuzzles interactively supports learner autonomy and encourages a more student-centered approach to listening lessons. In addition, Edpuzzle is easy to access on both computers and mobile devices, allowing flexible and independent learning. A study et al. 2023 found that students appreciate its user-friendly interface and the opportunity to reviewing listening materials at their own pace, enhancing both engagement and comprehension. So, this side of Edpuzzle has so many features. It is also easy to use for both teacher and also for the learners. For the student, it is really easy and doesn't need any storage or any cost in using this application. So I think it is better and it's the best option to developing or to improve our listening learning. Yeah, so why Edpuzzle? Instead of choosing any other digital tools that can improve listening learning, why Edpuzzle must be the one that I choose? Because Edpuzzle is really fit to the three parts of listening. For example, for intensive listening, Edpuzzle support intensive listening by letting teachers embed comprehension questions directly into short video clips. Students focus on specific details such as vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. It is also argued by as Agilistiani and Prayuana found, Edpuzzle encourages focused attention because learners must actively respond to embed questions while listening, which enhance engagement and comprehension of detailed content. For extensive listening, the platform also promotes extensive listening, allowing learners to explore authentic English videos such as interviews, short films, or education talks. Because students can choose topics that interest them, they listen more for meaning than for accuracy. According to the study, students enjoy using Edpuzzle because it provides flexible access to a variety of listening materials, which increase their motivation to practice independently and enhance their overall engagement with the content. So students also have their rights to choose materials instead of also always using what teachers give to them. And for critical listening, Edpuzzle also fosters critical listening through open-ended questions or teacher commentary that encourages learners to evaluate speakers' opinion or arguments. It is also stated by Zahara and Yulianti report 2025. Edpuzzle's interactive questioning helps students more beyond basic comprehension toward critical interpretation of spoken input, promoting deeper analytical skills and engagement with the content. So it is really fit in with the three parts or three kind of listening. Yeah. While some of the key features in Edpuzzle, I have three here. Number one is interactive video learning. Teachers can embed questions, multiple choice, short answer, or true or false question directly into a video. These features transform passive watching into active learning. So, when teacher upload or maybe choose video to being materials in listening activity, teachers can just add some question directly into the video. So the video will be paused for a minute, and also the student can answer the question. After the student answer the question, the video will play again. And also, Edpuzzle have real-time progress tracking. Edpuzzle automatically records student scores, viewing time, and numbers of replays. Teachers can monitor individual performance and provide personalized feedback. So it is also easy to evaluating the students' ability in listening, because the system has already have so many features. Automatically records student scores, so it is easier to teacher to tracking the progress of the students. It is also integration with online classroom. The platform integrates smoothly with Google Classroom, Moodle, and other LMS tools, allowing easy assignment submission and grading. It is not integrate with our LMS like eNotes, but it integrate with platform classroom that already famous like Google Classroom or Moodle. So it is make teacher easier to scoring and to add the scores to students report. Yeah, for example, this is one of activity that I already try in the application. It is a listening class. The teacher uploads a short YouTube video about the Lego story. Then the teacher adds comprehension question at specific points in the video, such as vocabulary checks and detailed questions. Students watch the video individually and answer the embed question, helping them focus on key information while improving active listening skills. So it can make the student more pay attention on what they heard, what they listen, and also it's really helpful to increase to boost the listening skill in this activity. Okay, so I have demonstration, so we can move to the application from Edpuzzle. So this is the dashboard or homepage when you just log in as a teacher in Edpuzzle. So this is also have so many tutorials. If you have any other consideration, for example, how to create a class, it's really easy to find how to do anything in Edpuzzle because there's videos tutorials. So like this, how to create some classes. Choose whatever to create, add Edpuzzle class or connect your LMS. Check my classes. Enter the detail of your class and select classic for your class type. For example, English class or listening class. You can label it. Yeah. It's really easy to add classes or create an open class for when you want to use Edpuzzle with minimal setup, no student or class required. It can use for anyone. Yes, it can connect with our LMS class. So this is one of the or much of the LMS that can integrate with Edpuzzle, such as Google Classroom, Moodle, Microsoft Teams, Clever, and any others. Yes. Okay, that's how to create a class. And how to check our student progress. It also has tutorials in how to check student progress by Edpuzzle staff. Yeah, when the student has accounts or can align with their profile, it can analytics how the student's ability in listening or scoring. Yeah, really easy. Yeah, we also can use outlook at responses directly in the, and it's really put so good, it become easier. Yeah, we can directly uh, give our student appreciation, grading, and it's really easier. Yeah, you can also download the grades and add to LMS. Yeah, that's how to check student progress. Okay, so it is really interesting, right? And also really easy to use. Yeah. Oh, we come to the end of the presentation, I guess. This is references that I used to analyze the Ed puzzle. There are five papers, five journals in that I found that helped me to more understanding the Ed puzzle, and also uh, giving my argumentation more credibly. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention, and maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.